I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious green enchilada casserole. First, let's get organized. You'll need your cooked chicken, tortillas, and a good green enchilada sauce. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, grab a 9 by 13-inch baking dish and give it a light grease. These initial steps ensure a smooth and easy cooking process for your flavorful meal. Now, let's start building our casserole. Begin by spreading a thin layer of your green enchilada sauce across the bottom of your prepared dish. Next, lay down a single layer of tortillas, making sure they slightly overlap to cover the sauce completely. Then, generously top those tortillas with your shredded chicken and a good amount of your favorite cheese. This creates the foundation for our amazing casserole. Continue this layering process, alternating between tortillas, chicken, sauce, and cheese, until all your ingredients are used up. Always make sure your final layer is a generous topping of cheese for that perfect golden crust. Once layered, cover your dish loosely with aluminum foil. Bake it in your preheated oven for 20 minutes covered. Then remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until bubbly and golden. After taking your beautiful casserole out of the oven, it's important to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the layers to set, making it easier to serve. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced avocado. Now, your homemade green enchilada casserole is ready to be served warm and enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.